As you can see, the corner of my yard does not provide the most scenic of images for a time-lapse. To sweeten the deal further, I unknowingly initially photographed a group of plants whose leaves do not fall. Fear not though, the seasons do come, and the picture tells more about environmental science than one might think. The unchanging bush is a strong example of a Pegu climax. The plants and the trees in the picture are in an urban setting, being controlled by humans, which prevents the ecosystem from developing further, or into one at all. You can also see the effects of the hydrological cycle as the seasons change. The snow is a byproduct of it, but becomes frequent in the winter season.